Get a piece of fabric which is 60 by 60 inches. Open up the fabric. Hold one corner of the fabric and another corner diagonally. Fold the fabric like this. From the diagonal corner, measure 4 inches. Draw a straight line. Also measure 4 inches. Join the 2 points. Divide the hip circumference by 3.14. 45 divided by 3.14 is 14.3. Mark 14.3 from this point all around. Join these points. Extend this line. From this point, measure the crotch length, which is 12 inches. Draw a straight line from this point. Draw a crotch curve like that. Repeat the process for the other side. First, extend this line. Measure 12-inch crotch length. Draw a straight line. Draw a crotch curve. Measure 22 inches from this curve going down. 22 inches. Join these points into a curve. Cut around this curve. Around here up to the curve. Cut around the bigger curve up to the other end. This is the front and this is the back. Measure 1.5 inches on the front. Draw a curve from this point up to the waist. Next, cut a waistband with a width of 5 inches. Pick one side and then pin the waistband around. So around from this side up to the other side. Repeat the process for the side. Also sew around the waistband. The waist is now in place. Place the pants facing up. Place the other side like this. Sew from the waist down to the crotch and also on the other side. The crotch has been sewn. Open up the pants at the center like this. Sew around from this side to that side. Next, hem the bottom. Fold the fabric into two like this. And hem all around on this leg and also hem this other side. The bottom of the pants has been hemmed. Next, we are going to fold the waist like that and then fold it over like that. Pin it all around. Next, sew around the waist. The waist has been sewn, as you can see. I left an opening here for inserting the elastic band. Measure 1 inch from the bottom of the waistband. Make a mark. Sew all around the mark area. Cut an elastic band which is waist minus 3 inches. 35 minus 3 inches is 33 inches. Attach a safety pin on one side and then look for the opening which you left. Insert the safety pin. Push it in. Remove the safety pin. Sew here to close the elastic band. Next, pull the elastic band. Next, we are going to close this opening. The opening has been closed, as you can see. Next, distribute the fabric evenly around the elastic. Cut 2 strips which are 30 by 3 inches. Fold the strip like that and sew from the beginning up to the end. Do the same for the other strip. Cut the corners. Get something like a pencil and push the fabric in while pulling it at the same time. These are the 2 strips. They are complete and they have been pressed. Find the front of the pants. Make sure to locate the side Make a mark. Then take the side of the strip, attach it on the side, likewise on the other side. We're going to sew here, fold the strip over like that, and then sew again on top. We'll do the same thing on the other side. Here are the pants, they are complete and they are gorgeous.